Yes, we do have what we call the financial virtual assistance class wherein you guys would learn, hindi lang data entry, reconciliation, kasama na doon yung invoicing and billing, expense tracking, financial reporting, ang dami like, kasi minsan, even as a bookkeeper or an accounting virtual assistant, i-cover mo din yung payroll processing, communications, correspondence, document management, and budgeting, ano pa ba? Ang dami kasing pwedeng maging role na pumapasok sa anywhere between accounting and bookkeeping, which is why tinatawag namin siyang financial virtual assistants. Lalo na ngayon na nasa area sila kung saan nasa tax preparation na sila. So if you are looking for a position wherein you're not required to be facing clients, yung client ng client nyo when I say facing clients, yung client ng client nyo. But you like doing administrative work, you like working with numbers, especially if you have experience with QuickBooks or Xero, this is the position for you. Anyway, if you guys are interested, bakit? Nagpa-flash one ako. Ganda na, girl, ang ganda ng pailaw natin nga. May pagano na tayo. Natuwa naman ako. Pero parang bakit, siya? Kumislap ng bahagyang-bahagya. Anyway, if you guys are interested to join, so punta muna kayo dito sa link sa bio ko. In any case na hindi siya gumagana, copy and paste nyo lang sa browser. Pwede rin kayo pumunta sa Instagram, click nyo lang to. Just in case na hindi gumana yung TikTok and Instagram, punta na lang kayo sa Facebook, doon ko na lang ilalagay sa caption yung pinakang link. And ganoon din naman sa YouTube, nakalagay naman siya sa description box. So sabi ko nga, pag-click nyo dito sa link sa bio ko, bubuksan nyo yung bagong page. Ito na yung pinakang lalagyan ng lahat ng ganap sa buhay ko. Until such time na maayos yung website, punta kayo sa open classes, pagkatapos hanapin nyo 999 financial virtual assistant, di ko makita. Ayun, 999 financial virtual assistant. 999 pesos lang siya at kasama na doon ng 2 weeks na internship. So you guys will have activities where you'd be able to put into test yung mga natutunan nyo during the live session. So 2 araw yung live session nito, 4 hours per day. Pagkatapos magkakaroon kayo ng homeworks at saka after the training meron na kayong internship. So magkakaroon kayo ng activities, i-check nila diyon. And after the internship ng 2 weeks, saka pa lang kayo papasok sa application book session kung saan tuturuan ko naman kayo kung paano mag-apply at makaland ng clients. After nun, may final activity kayo because saka pa lang kayo masa-certify after ninyong makatapos ng mock interview, which is your one-on-one with me. Haba ng ganap, no, batches, we make sure na everyone is ready muna before we even certify or parang confirm na nag-training kayo with us because we wanna make sure na pagharap nyo sa clients ay ready na kayo. Anyway, hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!